How to create a Tinder account. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to download and install Tinder application on your device. For that, you have to go to your Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for Tinder, and you'll be able to see this app. You need to install the app, and once you're done, you have to go for open option, and after that you'll be able to open up to this interface. So here are options for logging in with Google, Facebook and phone number. If you want to create your account with Google or by using your Gmail account, then you can continue with Google. If you want to create your account using your Facebook account, then you can go for login with Facebook. Similarly, if you want to create your account using your phone number, then you can go for login with phone number. Here I'm going for login with phone number option, and in this section you need to enter your phone number, and after entering, go for continue, and Tinder will send you a verification code. You need to enter the code and simply go for continue. Once you are here, you need to enter your email, or you can better sign in with Google. After entering, go for continue, and in this section you need to agree to the policies or the rules of Tinder. So you have to tap on I agree option at the lower button. As a first step, you need to enter your first name over here. Remember, you can't change this name later. After that, you need to go for next option, and in this section you need to enter your birthday. At first you need to enter your month, date and year. After that, simply go for next option. Is the third step, you need to enter your gender over here, and if you want your gender to be showed on your profile, then you can check mark over here at the button and you can go for next. And if you have got any other sexual orientation, then you can select up to 3, but if you don't have, you can simply skip up by tapping on the right upper corner. And here you need to select the gender you are interested in seeing, and you can go for next option. Similarly, in this section you need to choose your preferred relationship status or the type of person that you are looking for, and you can go for next option. And if you want to enter your school information or anything related to your personal life, then you can enter, but you can also skip over here. And similarly, here also you can skip. You are finally at the last step. So in this step, you need to upload at least 2 photos to start. For uploading, you can simply tap on plus option, and you can choose whether from camera or gallery. Once you are done, you can go for next option, and finally after that you can see my account has been created. So this is how you create a Tinder account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.